Join me as I try to explain cryptocurrency in just 5 minutes. Can I make it simple enough for everyone to understand? In today's digital age, you've probably heard of cryptocurrency, but do you really know what it's all about? The truth is, cryptocurrency is a new kind of money that's entirely digital, and it's changing the way we think about finance. A lot of people I talk to are hesitant to get into cryptocurrency because they don't fully understand it, and that's okay. I mean, it can be intimidating with all the technical jargon and the ups and downs in the market. Some people think it's just for tech-savvy individuals or people who are into coding, but that's not true. Others think that cryptocurrency is just a fad, or that it's not safe, or that it's only for illicit activities. But let's be real, those are just misconceptions. The truth is, cryptocurrency is a fast-growing industry that's changing the way we think about money. Another common misconception is that cryptocurrency is only for wealthy investors or tech enthusiasts. But the reality is, anyone can get started with cryptocurrency, regardless of their background or financial situation. And then there's the volatility concern. We've all seen the crazy price swings in the news. But the thing is, that's just a small part of the cryptocurrency story. Let's start with the basics. So, what is cryptocurrency exactly? Well, it's a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security and is decentralized, meaning it's not controlled by any government or institution. At its core, cryptocurrency is a peer-to-peer system that allows for fast, secure, and transparent transactions. Imagine a huge digital ledger book known as a blockchain that keeps track of all transactions made with a particular cryptocurrency. And the beauty of it is that it's maintained by a network of computers around the world, rather than a single entity. But how do new coins get created? Well, that's where mining comes in. Mining is the process by which powerful computers solve complex math problems, which in turn helps us secure the blockchain and verify transactions. So, what's the big deal about cryptocurrency? Well, for one, it has the potential to democratize finance and give people financial freedom. It's a new era of decentralized banking, if you will. Take, for example, the fact that cryptocurrency allows for cross-border transactions without the need for intermediaries like banks. It's faster, cheaper, and more secure. In recent years, we've seen major institutions like banks and governments start to take notice of cryptocurrency. And let's not forget the rise of decentralized finance, or DeFi, which is changing the way we think about lending and borrowing. So, to recap, cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security and is decentralized. It's maintained by a network of computers around the world, and new coins are created through a process called mining. In today's world, understanding cryptocurrency is crucial for anyone interested in finance, technology, or just the future of money in general. Thanks for watching, everyone. What are your thoughts on cryptocurrency? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're new to the world of cryptocurrency, be sure to check out our other videos on the topic. Remember to subscribe, like, and on your notifications. Thank you for watching.